5 tips for saving on your moving expenses. Moving to a new home can be exciting, but it can also be expensive. From packing materials to hiring a moving company, the costs can quickly add up. Here are 5 tips for saving on your moving expenses. 1. Declutter. Before you start packing, go through your belongings and get rid of anything you no longer need. This will not only reduce the number of items you need to move, but also help you earn some extra cash by selling or donating. 2. Book early. The earlier you book your moving company, the more likely you are to secure a good deal. Avoid moving during peak times such as weekends or holidays when prices will be higher. 3. Do it yourself. Consider packing and moving some of your belongings yourself. This can save you money on packing materials and moving fees. 4. Compare prices. Get quotes from different moving companies and compare prices. It's essential to ensure that the final price includes all the necessary services you need. 5. Tax deductions. Save receipts for your moving expenses, as you may be able to deduct them on your tax return if you are relocating for work purposes. By following these tips, you can save money on your moving expenses and make the transition to your new home more affordable.